Hello everyone, my name is Arya Ajay Kurchadkar and I am a legal intern at Lexis & Company and a student of 4th year BLLB at GR Kare College of Law, Margao, Goa under the Goa University. Today I am going to be talking on the topic of properties that cannot be transferred under the Transfer of Property Act 1882, and this video is to spread awareness about the properties that cannot be transferred under the Act. So there are two vital points to remember under the transfer of property. That is various kinds of transactions which can be made transfer by another property. One must be aware of the properties and interests in the property that are transferable. Even if the transaction fulfills the requirements of a valid transfer, no right in property shall be created or extinguished if the property in question of the interest of the transferor over the property are not transferable. Once it is clear whether a particular property is transferable or not, the second point that needs to be elaborated upon is the reference to the essential ingredients of valid agreement that seeks to transfer immovable property. Coming to the first point, it is essential to know which properties can be transferred and which not. Take an illustration for example. X has leased his property to Y for a period of 15 years. Y has absolute right over the property and can enjoy it for the period, as long as the enjoyment confers to the lease. For instance, a certain condition of the lease would be that Y would give X monthly rent, or that Y would not do any act which can cause a lasting damage to the property. In case Y violates any such conditions of the lease agreement, X can re-enter the property. Thus, X has a right of re-entry over property. Can he sell the right to Z? To be able to answer such a question, one must gain an understanding of Section 6 of Transfer of Property, which contains certain exceptional cases where property can be transferable. Section 6 is very exhaustive. Thus, anything listed in Section 6 would be transferable under the Act. The properties included in the Section 6 are spes successionis. Spes succession means expectation of succession. It is a mere possibility of getting a property in the future through succession. It also includes the chance of a relation obtaining a legacy of the death of kinsman and any other possibility of a like nature. An example can be given for the next cast of fisherman's net or next season's fruits in trees. No one can guarantee that any fish will be caught in the net or that the tree will bear fruits. Such an interest cannot be transferred. Right to re-entry. This is the right that a lessor has against the lessee for breach of an express condition. This provides that on its breach the lessor may re-enter. A mere right of re-entry refers to the right of re-entry which a transferor reserves to himself after having parted with the whole estate for breach of conditions subsequent. If not accompanied by the interest of the property, the right to re-entry is a personal license and hence not transferable. Restricted interest. Where a person A gives a land to another person B for his personal use only, B cannot extend that use of land to any third person, as transfer of such interest would defeat the whole purpose of the restriction. Right to future maintenance. Right to future maintenance is for the personal benefit of the person to whom it is granted and therefore it cannot be transferred. Right to sue. A right to sue for a definite sum of money is an actionable claim and therefore can be transferred, but right to sue for an indefinite sum of money is not transferable. Public office. A public office cannot be transferred and neither can its salary. Whether before or after, it must become payable, as the same would be against public policy. Stipends and pensions. Stipends allowed to military, naval, air force and civil pensioners of the government and political pensioners cannot be transferable. Nature of interest, unlawful objects or consideration, disqualification of transferee. The nature of the property to be transferred does not admit of such transfer. The transfer is not valid. That is, things that are in their natural form, air, water, sea, light, etc., cannot belong to no one. If anyone tries to transfer such a thing, it would oppose to its nature. Also, transfer would be made if it is for unlawful object or consideration. That is, also a transfer cannot be made in unlawful object or consideration. A property that is otherwise transferable may not be transferred in the transfer if the unlawful object of the consideration. Lastly, the untransferable interest. So under this clause, any tenant having an untransferable right of occupancy under transfer his interest as such tenant. The farmer of an estate in respect of which default has been made in paying revenue cannot be transferred his interest as such farmer, and the lessee of the estate under the management of the court of wards cannot assign his interest to lessee to all other persons. So these are the properties that cannot be transferable under the Act. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our channel Let's Click, and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications where we post a video. Also, please give a feedback on this video and previous videos which you can see on this YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions related to this video or any previous videos, please post it on the comment section below. I'll reply as soon as possible. Lastly, this video doesn't solicit any type of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India. The sole purpose of making this video is for educational purposes only. Thank you.